Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Domonique. I hope everyone is having a great day. I'm here with a hair tutorial and today is a special day because I'm going to be reviewing and showing you guys the new headband wig that's been trending on YouTube. I've seen tons of videos of people talking about these wigs and I'm like, you know what, I need to get one for myself and I need to share it with you guys, share my thoughts, opinions, and just everything about this new wig because I've been seeing it pop up on my timeline since July, August-ish, and I'm like, you know what, I need to get one for myself. So thank you to GeniusWigs for sponsoring today's video. All the information on this unit that I'm showing you guys today will be listed down below in the description box. And one more thing before we get into this video, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you doing with your life? Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you are joined to the family. Give me a big old thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It helps out a lot. All right, so let's get into this. I know your girl is looking crazy right now, but not for long. So I just have 6 braids, 5 or 6 braids going down in the back. And then I left out a little bit in the front. Really don't need a lot. So I'm just gonna take my water bottle and spray my edges. I'm gonna go ahead and just like brush the hair back using my Murray's Edge Wax. I didn't seem to notice that you were checking for me. We were just friends. This wig did come with a wig cap, and I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this wig cap. And this is just more so protecting my hair underneath the wig. I'm not taking it all the way to the front because this is a half wig, so you want your edges to be out. Now let's get into this wig. I'm so excited. So this is from GeniusWigs, like I previously said. It's not my first time working with this company. Their hair is amazing. I had another wig that was similar to this that was like Wet&Wavy, where you can wear it either straight or when you wet it, it curls up. So I'm very familiar with this type of hair and texture. So this is the headband wig, 18 inches, 150% density. I will have everything linked down below so you guys can check it out. Here is what the wig looks like straight out the box. You get how many combs? You get 3 combs around the front. And when I was looking at the headband wigs, I'm like, oh my gosh, that's probably kind of like a half wig. But y'all know, with the half wigs, those are the first wigs I ever started out with, was half wigs, and they had that long comb. And to this day, I honestly believe that those half wigs is the wigs that made my hair like really thin in this area, and it took so long for me to grow my hair back right there. But yeah, like those half wigs back in the day when I used to wear them, baby, I feel like it was snatching edges, okay? So you get the adjustable bands right here, and you get one clip in the back. So for the headband, you actually Velcro the wig in the back for the headband part. So I'm just gonna go ahead and comb through it and then put the wig on. So this is what I was talking about with the Velcro. So basically you have these 2 straps. Oh, okay, it's getting hung in the hair. All right, you have these 2 straps right here. And what you wanna do is just take it along the back and just Velcro it. All right, so here's how we're looking just from just putting the wig on and just slicking my edges back. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with it already because I just feel like this is going to be like a go-to style for my people who are new to wigs. You know, you're really not familiar with how to get the lace to blend, and you just don't want to do the closure wigs. You want something easy. Your girl is feeling this. Oh, just wait till I get these edges slicked and laid, baby. So I'm gonna go ahead and slick my edges and do what I do. And this is how the wig is looking in its natural state. If you like this big look, this is perfect for you. I really feel like this looks so natural, and it looks like it could really be my natural hair. The color matches really well
with my natural hair. Like, y'all, I am just in love. It looks like I just really washed my hair and just blew my hair out with the blow dryer. So they did send some headbands, which I'm super excited about. So how many do we have? We have 3 different headbands, and then I brought one headband in here myself, one that I absolutely just love to wear. So the first one is this one right here. I'm gonna just go ahead and try it on. So I think this is really cute. I like the way that it looks. Oh yes, this is really cute. Really cute. Y'all want to see like a little close-up. Very beginner friendly wig and a great protective style, especially if you are always on the go, or like a mommy like me. You know, in the mornings I really don't have a lot of time to put into, you know, doing my hair. Really, I don't. So this is the perfect style because all I have to do is slick my edges back and throw on a headband, and boom, I have a style. You can straighten this hair out more than this with a flat iron. We're not gonna do that today, but if you guys want to see that, I'll definitely do that for you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wet this down. I really hate to wet it down because I love the way that it looks in the natural state. Like, y'all, this really looks like my natural hair. Y'all can't tell me this not my hair. Like, what? Who gonna check me? Waiting? Oh, okay. All right, so let me just wet this hair down. I'm just gonna make it easier and just go put this wig under the sink and wet it, okay? Girl, I love me a good old curly wig. It just brings my Dominican vibes out, and y'all know. Ooh, baby. This is my new go-to wig. This is my new go-to wig. Do y'all hear me? Yes. Yes, yes. Y'all, I'm feeling this joint for real, for real. For real, your girl is feeling it. I mean, what can I say? The curls are beautiful. This is what the curls look like with just water. Just water, no product, nothing else is in the wig, in the hair, besides water. So it's so much, like, if you want to do a low ponytail, you can do that. You can rock a low ponytail with this. So I want to try on a different headband. I think I'm going to do this one right here. This one looks like it's really wide. Or is this a scarf? What is this? What the heck is this? Okay, I'm confused. Okay, I guess this is oh, okay. This is, okay, I've never had a headband like this. So it's made like this. Just gonna put it on. Ooh, this is so cute. This is super cute, guys. Super cute. This is my go-to style. Period. Period. Do y'all see the curls, the waviness? So let me know down below, which way do you prefer the wig? Do you like it puffed out and just straight, or do you like it curly? I feel like it's kind of a tie for me, but honestly, you know what? I like it curly. Or do I like it straight? You know what? I like it both ways. I'm gonna try to put it up in a ponytail real quick and show you guys how it looks in a ponytail. I'm even loving like a side ponytail. You can wear it in a ponytail. I prefer to wear it down. So this is a good wig for if you work out. You want your hair up and out of your face and out the way, but still looking cute. Put it in a ponytail. But I prefer it down. Alright, I'm not going to hold you guys any longer. I just wanted to come and show you guys the new headband wig that's going around. I've seen tons of videos on these headband wigs, and I was like, you know what? I have to do one personally for you guys and just let you guys know my thoughts about it. And I'm a fan. I'm absolutely a fan of it. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this wig that I'm wearing today, I will have everything linked down below in the description box. So thank you to GeniusWigs for sponsoring today's video. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Make sure your post notifications are on so you're notified every time I upload a new video. But your girl will see you guys next time. And I love you guys. And thank you so much for your love, your support, and especially if you made it to the end of the video. I love you, girl. I love you. I love you. But I'll see you guys next time. And don't forget to let me know down below, which way do you like the hair? Do you like it straight or curly?